less we touch the steel, the more money we make. And right now, with the setup the way it is, we're touching it less than we ever have. The defining moment to me in Garbe's history was 1964, when my father took a one-day job as an iron worker here at GIW and then never left. That started a relationship with Jim Garbe that lasted the rest of their lives.
Over the past 20 years, GIW has progressed into a fabricator that uses the technology that's available to produce more and to meet customer demand. And most recently with the new additions of the Liberator, the new saw, and the PCD 1100, we're able to keep up with demand and produce good stuff using latest technology.
And now with the new setup, everything being in the saw house, it stays outside, but when it comes in, it's ready to be sent to a fitter, and it's just offloaded right onto their skids. That's the great thing about this new system, is that it takes up less space in our shop. I have more area. It creates a place for me to make more money because I got a bigger area to produce more steel. The piece of equipment that I think is most important to our success is the new Advantage 2 drill line. The speed and accuracy just make life better for GIW.
But we also installed a refurbished Angle Master and a refurbished plate machine from Triple SL. The first one was installed and it was great. Plug and play. The remanufactured FPD 1800. One of the new benefits of that was the addition of the latest technology through hypertherm. My guys were able to pick up with production right where they left off.
We have one gentleman that runs drill, saw, and Liberator at the same time. He has had great luck prepping ends of beams, putting copes on stuff. My favorite project that GIW's ever done has to be the Rockford Airport. They were building 2 large maintenance hangars. They ended up being 22 trusses that were 100 feet tall and 300 feet long. It had every 15 feet or so, it had moment plates, and those plates were full pin welded to tubes. And so we utilized petting house equipment like you wouldn't believe, and it was pretty neat. We had no problems fabrication-wise with anything in the field. The erector couldn't have been happier, and neither could the customer.
It's nice to see what you build. And the guys that don't see what we build, I don't think really appreciate what they do. I take pride in what I make. You know, I want to make it right, so it goes up right.
It's always been a really big focal point for GIW to assure that steel is the #1 building material in the country. And it is important to us that people recognize that steel is the best way to build buildings.